I knew from an early age my path was different. My sisters all got married, plucked like ripe fruits from my side while I began to wither, left at home to look after my brother. I wasn't really interested then. Men seemed stupid to me, and women even more so. People joined up together for no reason other than their parents thinking they would make a good match. No talk about feelings. No whisper of love. In my mind, love is what makes marriage and family. I have watched mothers with their children, and they cannot help but love their child. But ask them how they feel about their man, and they will tell you words like respect and gratitude and sadness because they are widowed. But they rarely say, I will lay down my life for him. No. For men and women, sometimes you have to wait, like I did, to find true love. Patience is an egg that lays great things.